Welcome. If you're a pet lover looking for the perfect home for your furry friends, you've come to the right place. Here, we specialize in handcrafted wooden cat and dog houses that are not only stylish but also safe and durable. Our mission is to provide your pets with a cozy retreat that complements your home decor. Join us as we take you behind the scenes to see how our beautiful pet houses are made, share tips on choosing the right one for your pet, and explore creative ideas to enhance your pet's living space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's create a loving home for your pets together. Product design and development. Design variations. Create different designs for cat and dog houses. Consider various sizes, styles, modern, rustic, etc., and features, elevated bases, insulation, etc. Materials. Choose sustainable wood materials that are durable and weather-resistant. Options include cedar, pine, or plywood. Safety. Ensure that the designs are safe for pets, with no sharp edges or toxic finest sourcing materials. Suppliers. Identify reliable suppliers for your wood and other materials, paint, varnish, etc. Consider local suppliers to reduce shipping costs. Cost analysis. Calculate the cost of materials per unit and set a budget for purchasing in bulk. Production. Manufacturing process. Decide whether to manufacture in-house or outsource to a workshop. If outsourcing, find a reputable manufacturer. Quality control. Establish quality control measures to ensure each house meets safety and design standards. Pricing strategy. Cost plus pricing. Calculate the total cost of production, materials, labor, overhead, and add a markup for profit. Market research. Research competitors' pricing to position your product competitively. Marketing strategy. Branding. Develop a brand name and logo that reflects the quality and style of your wooden houses. Online presence. Create a website and social media profiles to showcase your products. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions. Content marketing. Write blog posts about pet care, benefits of wooden houses, and DIY tips to attract organic traffic. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with pet influencers to promote your products. Sales channels. E-commerce platforms. List your products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Local markets. Attend pet fairs, farmers markets, or craft shows to sell directly to customers. Retail partnerships. Approach local pet stores or boutiques to carry your wooden houses. Distribution. Shipping options. Determine how you will ship the products, local delivery, national shipping, and choose shipping partners accordingly. Packaging. Invest in sustainable packaging that protects the product while being eco-friendly. Customer service. Support channels. Offer multiple channels for customer support, email, chat, phone, to address inquiries or issues. Return policy. Establish a clear return policy to build trust with customers. Monitoring and evaluation. Sales tracking. Use analytics tools to monitor sales performance and customer feedback. Adjustments. Be prepared to adjust marketing strategies or product offerings based on sales data and customer. Adjustments. Be prepared to adjust marketing strategies or product offerings based on sales data and customer preferences. Scaling up. Once you establish a successful sales process, consider expanding your product line, e.g., wooden toys, accessories, or increasing production capacity, certainly. Let's dive deeper into each section of the business plan for selling wooden cat and dog houses. Product design and development. User-centric design. Engage pet owners in the design process through surveys or focus groups to understand their preferences in terms of size, style, and functionality. Custom options. Consider offering customization options, such as personalized engravings or color choices, to attract a wider audience. Sourcing materials. Sustainability focus. Highlight the use of sustainably sourced wood in your marketing. This is increasingly important to consumers who are environmentally conscious. Bulk purchasing. negotiate with suppliers for bulk purchasing discounts. This can significantly reduce your per unit cost. Production. Workforce. If producing in-house, consider hiring skilled labor or training workers to ensure quality craftsmanship. Production timeline. Establish a clear timeline for production to manage inventory effectively and meet customer demand. Pricing strategy. Value proposition. Clearly communicate the value of your product, e.g., durability, aesthetic appeal, safety features, to justify your pricing. Promotions. Plan for occasional promotions or discounts to attract first-time buyers or clear seasonal inventory. Marketing strategy. Target audience. Identify your target market, pet owners, animal shelters, or pet boutiques, and tailor your marketing messages accordingly. Social media campaigns. Use platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, which are visually driven, to showcase your products. User-generated content, photos of pets in your houses, can enhance engagement. SEO optimization. Optimize your website for search engines by using keywords related to pet houses, wooden pet products, and pet care. Sales channels. Online marketplaces. Explore selling on multiple platforms to increase visibility. Each platform has its own audience and can help you reach different customer segments. Direct sales. Consider hosting pop-up shops or workshops where customers can see the product firsthand and interact with you directly. Distribution. Logistics planning. Research logistics providers that specialize in shipping bulky items like pet houses. Ensure they offer tracking and reliable delivery times. Local partnerships. Collaborate with local delivery services for quicker turnaround times for nearby customers. Customer service. Feedback loop. Encourage customer feedback through surveys or follow-up emails. Use this information to improve products and services. Loyalty programs. Implement a loyalty pro. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed exploring our handcrafted wooden cat and dog houses and learned a bit about how they can enhance your pet's comfort and style. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow pet lovers. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We have lots of exciting content coming your way, from DIY tips to pet care advice. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, remember, a happy pet is a happy home. Take care, and see you in the next video.